Chapter 3 Food and Health Part 2. In this module, we'll learn about diseases, which are of two types: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. What are diseases? Disease means impairment of health. In other words, it is the condition that does not allow the body to function properly. There are two types of diseases: communicable and non-communicable diseases. How does disease spread? You know that germs are present everywhere around us and they can spread through four modes, that is, food and water, air, contact, and insects. Communicable diseases. The diseases that spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases, also known as infectious diseases. These diseases are caused by microorganisms or germs like bacteria, protozoa, and viruses. These germs spread through coughing, spitting, and sneezing. These germs enter the body through air, water, and food. Examples of communicable diseases are cholera, typhoid, and hepatitis, which spread through food and water. Influenza and tuberculosis spread through air. Malaria spread through mosquito, and tetanus, which spread through bite wound exposed to dust or rusted item. Non-communicable diseases. The diseases which do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. These diseases can be caused due to the deficiency of a nutrient or due to overeating. High blood pressure, heart diseases, night blindness, scurvy, beriberi, rickets, etc. come under this category. These are not caused by germs, but still they cause proper functioning of our body. High blood pressure and diabetes are often called lifestyle diseases. Deficiency diseases comes under the category of non-communicable disease. Disease that arise when there is a shortage of particular nutrients in the diet. The types of deficiency diseases are: deficiency of carbohydrates causes marasmus. Deficiency of proteins causes kwashiorkor. Deficiency of minerals causes beriberi, rickets, hemorrhage or scurvy. And deficiency of vitamins causes goiter or rickets. Let's learn more about this topic with the help of this video.
What happened, dear? Why are you sad?
Mom, my best friend Rachel didn't come to school today. She is sick. Ma'am said she is suffering from chickenpox.
Oh, that's so sad. Dear, get freshen up and have lunch.
Mom, how did Rachel get chickenpox? I want to know. Can you explain me that?
Sure, dear. But first, you should know that diseases can be of two types: communicable and non-communicable. There are some diseases that cannot be spread from one person to another. They are called non-communicable diseases, like the heart diseases, blood pressure. Deficiency diseases. Some diseases are due to deficiency of certain minerals, like anemia is caused due to deficiency of iron. Therefore, we should have spinach, apple, brinjal and pulses in our diet. Dear, I always tell you to drink milk. It is because milk gives us calcium and phosphorus. If it is not in our diet, our teeth and bones will be weak.
And what about the communicable disease? How are they caused?
Communicable diseases can spread from an infected person to a healthy person.
But what causes these diseases?
Communicable diseases are caused by agents like the bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and the virus. Viruses cause diseases like AIDS, rabies, chickenpox, and common cold. The bacterium causes typhoid, tuberculosis, and cholera. Protozoan cause diseases like the malaria and sleeping sickness, and the fungi cause skin infections.
How do these agents spread?
They spread by air, food, carriers, water, and direct contact. The tuberculosis, measles, and common cold are spread through air, while the cholera, typhoid, and jaundice are transmitted by water. Skin diseases and hepatitis are caused due to direct contact with the infected person. Apart from this, there are some carriers also, which don't cause the disease but transfer it. They are called vectors.
Can you explain me with an example?
Sure, the common housefly. It sits on garbage and dirty places and then sits on the food. This food is not hygienic and healthy to eat. If we eat this food, we get sick. The mosquito also does the same. It transfers the disease-causing agent of malaria, dengue, and elephantiasis from an infected person to a healthy person.
Mom, how can we prevent these diseases?
Dear, we should not allow these mosquitoes to breed and always eat covered food. Another way is to get vaccinated in the form of injection or oral drops. We have vaccines against typhoid, cholera, tetanus, and chickenpox.